Hello everyone, welcome back to multi-channel YouTube. In this video we're going to be previewing, testing crossbow include two 16 aluminum bolts, and it is I got this from Princess Auto. It was on sale for about $70, and so I thought to give it a try. It looks like very well made, and so open up, and this is just looks like made in Taiwan. And also all the, like, what's it says here in the box, it's a weight 21 pounds, 16-inch length of the bolt, and bolt weight 306 grain, and everything else here. That's what shows in the box. And it does not say the like distance and the speed or so. So we'll give it a test and see what's inside the box. So those are the arrows or the bolts. It says 30 pounds max draw weight. Okay, it's pretty good. It's like very well made material. And this is looks like aluminum maybe, or kind of metal. And two of them. This is the second one. And so this is the instruction manual, how to put it together and stuff like that. Safety rules, everything else. Okay, how to put it together, I guess. Yep. And this is the, oh no, it's this, return, no, do not return. Okay. Even scissor cannot cut this through. Okay, maybe my scissor is bad. Allen key, and I'll find out about those. Okay, this is the main rope. Or the, it's very well made, and this looks like very strong. Made of maybe several, like at least maybe 30 of them or so, small. Okay. Anyway, so well, and this is the crossbow, and flexible, and made in Taiwan, model YA4003. Okay. This is how tells you how to do like step by step. Okay. Okay. This is the one, and looks like it's very well made, very solid, very strong. Looks pretty good. Here's the safe bottom, safe and fire, and adjusting for the firing thing, so you can adjust it left to right, and this is up and down, left to right. So when you adjust this, you need to press this down a little bit and then twist, because it has a lock, just like that. Okay, and of course this is the back hand, or the front, the holder, just goes here. So we're gonna be testing it. So this is the manual instruction, and it's much bigger, a lot of details. It's pretty much very simple, and all this, and I usually go with the pictures, so it's going to take a long time to read everything, but I'll just read for the important safety and stuff like that. And I think this one is not supposed to use for kids under 16, I think 16 years old. So for safety reason, please do not let the kids play with it, otherwise you can harm someone and can make some damage. So just be careful. And yeah. So this is everything here, tells you how to do everything. In the back, this is what, okay, so this is French, I think. Yeah, and this is English. Yeah. Okay. I took a look, I went through the manual instruction, but I couldn't find anything mentioned about those three pieces here. Two rubber and then metal one. And I figured out the only place that those can go, it's in here. So this one like that, and then this one here like that, and the metal one go like this, and then everything it has to go like this, and just like that, sit like this, and of course there's a screw here, and this one, this screw, when you tie it with the metal, push everything together. And I think the reason why those are this is just to prevent any reaction vibration after firing, and this is just to extra support for this piece. So that's the only missing in the manual instruction. And of course this when you hook up this one, this must be removed, 2 screws in each side, and then this has to be hooked up like that. So let's get started. This is also a piece of metal. Wow, it's very nice. Okay, the other one, we'll remove that one too, the other side. Okay, it's a metal too, very nice. And now we install this piece like that. So this piece simply hook here and then here, just like this. Or yeah, that's the only one. Here you can see if you want to tie it. So first, before we put this piece in, we're gonna put this one in first, and that way easy to screw it here. Even like you see this very heavy duty metal, this one in here to hold the cover pieces together like that. And this actually everything, it's very well done, and it's very hard material, plastic. So this is metal, all metal here, everything else. I mean this here, this piece metal, and the plastic even very tough, very hard plastic, and very well designed too. So okay, so first we put the rubber piece back here in the back first, this one, and then this piece goes this way. Another, there's two line white line here, one here on each side, one here and one here. Those are gonna be in the center. So this is your guide to make it in the center, and we'll do some adjustment after we other rubber piece will goes here, and then this metal to hold that thing, it has a little tiny hole go in here, so the screw can tie it in, sit in this, just like that. And then it's time to tie it down. So after, just before you tie it down, make sure those are adjusted really well. And that's how it looks like. Okay, now we can install this piece, the grabber maybe it's called. Let's sit in there, just like that. And then this is the piece goes in here, just like that. Put it like this all the way, and then ready to tie down. Those 2 screws. Yeah, actually I put this one upside down, so it's the opposite way. And so yeah, there's left or right. So here this piece goes in, you know, smooth one goes to the out, and yeah, just like that. It's time to put the rope in. Maybe I'll give it a little bit twist, just like a little bit, not much. Just like that. So we can do one side, like this side first. And then this side after. So by the way, when you twist this a little bit, this will get shorter, so we'll get a little short, you see, but it must be twisted at least maybe 3-4 times for extra strength. And you don't want to twist it much, because we'll get, you see, we'll get very short. And it can be hooked up, you know, but all you need. So let's do this. Okay, now it is all individuals like that. So give it about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 twists should be good for extra strength and make it kind of, you know, smooth and looks like a single rope. And to do when you try to hook up this, so all you need is just twisting a little bit, push a little bit hard, like that. Okay, and then hook it up. Okay, just like that. So now, about this, I was confused first, but I kind of figured out this is really hard. When you pull the bowstring all the way here, you need to pull it with both hands really hard, so it can latch in. So for example, like if you, this must be all the time on firing position, and once you latch the bowstring here, this will automatically go to the safe position. Then when you need to fire it, push it back to the fire position again and fire again. So just like that. So here it's safe and then lock. As you can see, I was showing like how this works. Just by pulling back, release the trigger, release this. This is how it should look like when you, and then this should go back like that again. So you can fire it like that. But once you pull this one to the fire position, then it'll fire like that. And I'll show you in a second how this works. So yeah, so it's always better to put your leg here and then pull this string really hard here so it can latch in. And so let's see. So this must be on firing position. Never put it this way, otherwise never latch here. So it must be firing position. And watch when I pull this, what happens. So now in safe position. To firing, put it in fire again, and then pull. Just like that. Now we do the test. Firing position, pull, just like that, both in, and it's locked. And then this thing goes like that. Just like that. Okay, now we're gonna fire on those pieces there. Oh, the safe position on, I mean off. I missed. one more time. Okay, so that went all the way. So to see how strong this crossbow is, very strong actually. I was surprised. Even made a small punch hole here. This is a hardwood floor, and it's very strong actually. So you'll see. We're gonna see how far can this crossbow can get deep inside this hardwood floor. So I missed, and look where was this. It's already went through this. Unbelievable. Okay, let's try one more time. Okay. So I don't know what happened, but look, this is really deep. Wow, quite impressive. Okay, so let's see this again. And this is a wood. I think it's already went through here. Okay, so let's try one more time here. This one is ready. You can see I am very bad aiming, so it went already from through this side. Unbelievable. And it's very strong. Okay. So thank you for watching, and please support our channel. See you next video.